Yes, my lovely people, welcome to J Progress Entertainment, my people. And me a beg you to keep subscribing to the channel, my people. And remember, we are trying to get to 10k subscriber on my YouTube channel by March. You hear me I say? So my people just continue with the support, man. Me love the support me I get and me appreciate it 1,000,000%. So without further ado, my people, make we mix up the gravy. Take the meat off of the bone and get straight to work. People, one thing J Progress know, and that is Jamaica people can be many things, but them are no idiot. A little incident on Friday night in St. Elizabeth. A 2-engine aircraft crashed in St. Elizabeth near to a swamp. In a runway, in a deserted area, and it's an area where known for certain things, it already have a history about it. First and foremost, down at St. Elizabeth, about 7 o'clock, right, Friday, uno tell me now, a aircraft attempted a landing pan a little airfield in a deserted area, in a place where big things go on, where a little history about that place. They who know St. Elizabeth and know the area, know where J Progress are talk about. The police, them get them little call and them investigate and them and this and that. It's a little small aircraft, a little 2-engine aircraft. What could have been the reason make an aircraft in the dark about 7 o'clock? Decide if you want to land this in the middle of nowhere. And not only certain plane land this when certain things are going to go on. You don't tell me that now. Well, we not be the judge of nothing, my people. Because them always say we are baboon and we are idiots. So, you know what? Make we go off of the news when the news say. Alright? Nationwide news understand that an attempted landing by an aircraft in a swamp area was the cause of Friday night plane crash in Braze River, St. Elizabeth. It's understood that the occupants of the aircraft attempted to land and make a shift runway located in a remote area of the community. The pilot reportedly missed the runway and the aircraft ended up in the swamp. It's been theorized that when the occupants were unable to remove the plane, the aircraft was set on fire. The news team understand. It has been reliably informed. Gas oil was found at the scene of the crash. It's not immediately clear what the aircraft was transporting or what the aircraft did come to pick up. Right? Or why it was landing on an unauthorized. Make we take a little time and emphasize on the word there. Why it was landing on an unauthorized runway in the remote area. So like how we are idiot now, Jamaica people. And we born when we mama Ghana market. And when we drop, we born back a cow. Right? So you have a 2-engine aircraft now. Decide to go land, attempt a landing in a St. Elizabeth. In the middle of nowhere. And according to the news, in a remote area of the community, near a swamp. And it is an area based on the police that is known for certain things. It have a history, right? And here comes a 2-engine aircraft about 7 o'clock, right? Where he decides to land in that particular place there. Nobody don't know nobody don't expect this aircraft, yeah? Authority basically where you know sometimes when things fly in the airspace in Jamaica, them notify the authority The people them in the airport, them are the aviation place, them know so one plane a come, know what it is about, what it is transporting, what it is picking up. They know all the details. But here comes one 2-engine little aircraft. Nobody don't know nothing about it. It a land on an unauthorized runway in a remote area. Nobody don't know where to pick up. Nobody don't know where to drop off. So what we not tell we as the Jamaica people say? What was the mission of that plane? Alright. The occupants of the aircraft have still not been found. Them not find a dead body. Them not find nobody around the plane. Them not find nothing but a burnt out aircraft. Right? This is a developing story according to them. So the police them are investigate. And me listen to one of the police interview and the police say them get call and say whatever them see a plane go down. Right? And them notify the fire brigade, the military and everything to come put on them search. And after a 3-hour search, according to them find a burnt out aircraft in a place where it's in be. Right? So the police report is that a multi-agency investigation is now underway following the morning's successful recovery of a small plane that crashed in St. Elizabeth on Friday night. What make the plane couldn't come in a day? Where it a going at night, people? One little aircraft where nobody don't know about. And it a go one place where big things go on. Right? And the police them say them have no idea what go on. Them have to go left it to the professional them to find out this and the forensic team to see. Come on, man. Come on now. Right? The burnt out plane was found among morass in the Braze River in the parish. No remains were seen. Unless J Progress and the rest of Jamaica people them a baboon. We no must know by now. Say that little 2-engine aircraft here, when decide to take a flight in a Jamaica in the night and land on an unauthorized air runway in a St. Elizabeth, in a remote area in the community, come to pick up something. Me no think a drop off because many things don't drop off in a Jamaica. More time a pick up. You understand me I say? So all of who no know, and all of who terrorize this and the conspiracy theory and all of this and all of that, who no listen to me, man. Jamaica people are no idiot. It no matter where the police them want hide, or them want go, or them want come, how them want cover up because them say them don't want jump ahead of the investigation and all of them sitting there. Any aircraft, little aircraft will come to Jamaica in a night. And no authority no know about it. No aviation authority no know about it. And it come on an unauthorized runway. He can't tell you all to say the pilot and even good pilot. He can't tell you that the pilot is never a good pilot. Because first and foremost, them could have come to one place where the thing no set up properly. So them not have no light to see where the runway is. And the pilot then could just pick up the pilot from any hallway if he come fly the plane. So anything you know him crash. Me not think the pilot dead, but guess what? When that plane went down, there were already people waiting on that plane. That plane then now land so. And like the police them saying in them statement, this area of a history, this particular area, this particular runway, and this particular spot of a history. Jamaica people, we are going to work with them. Make we just take it with them say then. People, J Progress may say nothing. A little aircraft go down a St. Elizabeth and crash. So leave it to the big guys them to investigate it. And make we as the big old baboon them, where we born on the mama Ghana market, and we born back a cow. And we not have no sense. Say one plane just drop out of the sky. It a fly from wherever it a fly from and just drop out of the sky in Jamaica. Simple as that. People, who no keep subscribing to my channel. You continue to share my video, then you make sure you comment. And me thank you very much for the support. Make we go and play idiot. You hear? Make the idiot them stay. Send the fool them a little further.